Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, September the 10th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, just a second, I'll back that chart out. You can use this email address, a link for the free room, and the room is free, 100%. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in the free trading room. Room is open between Monday and Friday, between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I share my screen, I'm live on the mic, and in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade ID subscription. And let's see, bring in the chart. Okay, so my watch list actually today did not produce that many good trades. Only really one good one, and that would have been at the very beginning of the day. NLS 1637, it got up to 1687. Rest of them kind of chopped around a little bit. Chef, we were waiting on this one forever. 18 break, kept trying to break through 18, it just didn't do it. So thought, okay, that's not that just really nothing to do there. Why I liked it is because if you take a look at the weekly chart, a weekly chart, you can see how much room it has. But it just didn't take out 18, so didn't do anything on that one. The same thing with the Kura. We're waited on that one. This is an all-time high, and again, I wanted to see it take out 28. Yeah, I wanted to see it take out 28, and it just couldn't do it. And this one I don't think did very much, 24.39. Yeah, it didn't do very much. Another one that was too close for my liking to the whole number. This was a real cheap one. I don't know what it's done. Yeah, it hasn't really done anything. And this is Smile. Again, another one that is close to the whole number. Can't really control that. When the trigger happens, it have to have certain filters in place. And unfortunately, even though SDC would have been nice to have seen it in this area, the problem is that the relative volume was still low. And so the relative volume was not high enough until that point. So that's why it didn't trigger. But was able to do some other trades, and let's take a look at Trill. So Trill had a nice pop up, and this was a short. So a lot of us were looking at this short underneath 15, took that short 15, covered some at 14.68. Actually, I covered in sort of an average, and then I reshorted it. I covered it when this move happened, then I reshorted it around 1554, sorry. It moved down and then back up, and that's when I got out of it. So not bad. Another one was, and I'm still in this one, the WTRH, shorted it right up here at 452, moved down to 438, covered some at 432 again, most of it in fact, and was hoping maybe it could get down to 411. And right now, I might cover the rest. Want to see what happens on this candle. So not a lot shaking. Nothing really shaking from the AI. The AI actually had a short of this one. Oops. The AI had a short of this one. And obviously that did not work out very well at all. Except, as I always say to people, treat it like it's a watch list. So if it turns around, which this one did. Now this had devastating news. Late stage study or results for the drug they've got. Don't know what the drug is, doesn't really matter. This stock yesterday closed around 23.51. It got down to 376 or so in the pre-market. And then look at the run it had though, from the bottom all the way up to 938. And the AI was looking to short this one at 480 and got stopped out at 525. So at that point, obviously a big bounce was taking place, and you could say, okay, the AI was wrong in the direction, but let's watch this very dynamic stock. And I know a lot of people in the room did that and took advantage of this tremendous pop. So I want to get back into the room and see what's happening. So, whoops. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the free room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Let me bring back the capture program. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope to see you then. Bye.